Hello viewers, welcome to another video of Arena Space. In today's video, we are going to create a YouTube logo using the website Canva. So Canva is one platform that has to do with design. You can make your own logo, flyer, banner, poster without relying on anyone. The website is very easy, user-friendly, and you do not have to be a graphic design expert to work on this platform. So let's get started with our logo design. So first things first, guys, you've got to sign up on this website. You could use your email ID, and once you've signed up using your email ID, this is how your homepage looks like. You could either just search for YouTube logo here in the search bar or simply select logo here. So you guys could see that the size mentioned here is 500 by 500 pixels. So this pretty much works for a lot of social media platforms. This is the standard size of the logo. For YouTube also, this is the standard size. But just in case if you want your logo or any other design in a different size, you just have to go to the top right corner here, select create a design, go down to custom size and mention the width and height you prefer. So if you want the logo to be 600 by 600 pixels, you can just mention it here and select create new design. You also get to choose between pixels, inches, millimeters and centimeters and select create new design. Then your design is ready. You have your custom sized logo ready, not just logo but any design. So for now, since we are creating a logo for YouTube, let's just go with the standard sized one. So this is how the page looks like. You have a blank canvas here, and on the left side you have all these beautiful templates. So this is what I was referring to, guys. On Canva you have like tons and tons of design templates. So these are ready-made templates. All you've got to do is just select whatever you like. So let's say we have a baking channel. So first you could just simply select any of these design templates, or you could also search for baking here on the search bar. When you search for baking, these are all the different options that come up. These are the different options available. So let's just select one of these, and okay, we'll just select this. The first thing, change the background color. Go for something light. We'll just stick to this. And next, I don't really want the established 2022, so I'm just gonna delete it, and then I'm just gonna get it down. The title, the tagline also, I want it down. Next, let's just go down to elements here and look for something that has to do with baking. You get all these options here. You just have to select, and anything that works for you, you guys can just select that. I really like this, so let's just delete this image here and select this one. I like this, and you can just edit it, just give it some color, give it a black color. If your channel, the name of your channel is Sweets and Desserts, let's just say that's the name. So that's it, guys. You just have to tweak in here and there and your design is ready. Just get it on the top, and if you have a tagline, well and good, you can just give it a tagline as well. And if you do not have a tagline, just delete that. So now I prefer to, let's just change the font as well. I really like this one, so this is good. Just got to adjust it accordingly, and your logo is ready. So this is pretty much it, guys. You can just design, you can just select any of your design templates, select it, give it a different background color, change the font sizes, change the title, and your design is ready. So let's just make something that is similar to this logo here. Let's look for a ring-like element here. Look into all of this. You really like any of, let's just go with this and just enlarge it. Once you're done with that, let's just go for more elements related to sports. So you will find all these options. You can definitely choose any of these options, and I really like this one, so let's just select that. Once you're done with that, you can just resize it again and put that inside the ring. So again, once you're done with this, you can see that both the elements are two different elements, and it's kind of difficult for you to work with them. But once you're done with the adjusting, you can just select the entire thing and group it. So now you can see the entire thing can be moved, and you don't really have to work with just one element. Now let's just adjust it. Let's just align it to the center. So now let's just say the name of our channel is Sports Bus. So let's just add a text box here and type in Sports Bus. Once you're done with that, we can just align it here. We can put the entire thing on the top. Let's put this here. And if you have a tagline, you could very well add that as well, but I don't really want to add one, so let's just leave. Now we've got to add a background color, so let's go with red and then go for a different color. Let's just stick to this color. So this is how you make a logo from scratch, guys. If you don't really want to use any of these design templates and you just find ideas, obviously you're definitely going to find ideas here on Canva. You do not really want to stick to any of these design templates and you want to make something from scratch, this is how you could do it. You could just definitely play around, look for the best options. So I really like this ring, so let's just ungroup it first and then just delete this one. Then go with this and then select this as well. Once you're done with that, you can definitely play around the entire thing. Select what works best for you. So I would highly suggest that when you create a logo, make sure that you guys create at least 3 to 4 logos for a channel, for one channel, and then once you're done with all of the logos, you guys could just compare and choose the best. So I prefer this one more. So now let's just group the entire thing. Done, and our logo is ready. So that's it, guys. We have like 2 logos here, and when you hit on grid view here, you can see both the images. So this is what I was referring to. If you have like 3 or 4 logos, you could just make all of the logos here. I mean, like for one channel, make sure you create 3 or 4 logos, hit on grid view, and then you get to compare between them. Then you can just mix and match the designs, mix and match the colors, whatever works for you, and just select the best logo. So now if you are a person who don't really want to select, if you don't really like any of the design templates, or you don't really want to do something out of scratch, you want it really simple. In that way, I would suggest you just simply add a text box. So if your the name of your channel is Live, Laugh and Repeat, let's just say this is the name of your channel. All you've got to do is just add a text box, just write it in a very fancy font. Make sure you give a bright color, not necessarily bright, but then since it is about life, I just want it bright. Let's just give it a shade of yellow maybe. So I really like this one or this one. Give it a fancy font, and that's it, your logo is ready. So whatever works for you guys, you're definitely going to find a lot of inspiration on this platform here, and it's very easy to make any logo or any design here on Canva. So that's how I've created my logos. Another thing that I'd like to mention here is when you guys find this kind of design templates, I mean, you can see this little crown image here. So this is only meant for pro users. So Pro is one version of Canva, which is a paid version. So you can see paid, get Canva Pro. So this is a paid version. And if you guys really want to check out Canva Pro, I'm definitely going to leave a link in the description box. It's a 30-day free trial period. So you can use it for like 30 days. You can just play around. You can just understand what Canva Pro is about. You get like access to 100 million premium photographs, videos, and elements. But if you're a free user, you don't really get access to any of these. So not just 100 million premium photographs, videos, and elements, premium fonts, and templates, you also get access to features such as magic resize and background remover. You get access to all of these and a storage of 1 TB storage. So that's it, guys. I really hope you guys found the video helpful. And if you do like it, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.